when you come out with a gun, you are not chasing an antelope with that gun. If you're a criminal and you are out there with a gun, you're not chasing an antelope. Definitely you want to kill a person. And I really get sad when I see human rights groups protecting a criminal who has come out in the street with a gun. I don't know why we discuss. People tell you shoot the leg. The trauma that a police officer faces when he faces a person with a gun is so huge that the first thing that the police officer would consider is how to protect himself. It is not a myth, because every day you see police officers killed. So a police officer would rather, if you come out with a gun, a police officer would rather kill you or shoot you and have himself answer or even go to court, other than have himself dead. The danger that is posed by a criminal with a gun is so huge that the possibility of a police officer shooting and killing an armed criminal is almost 90%. But also the possibility of the policeman dying in that incident is almost 100%, because the criminal has nothing to lose. No country wants to kill a population. We want our level to try our level best to ensure that the population is managed appropriately, and even persons who are criminals are rehabilitated and brought back to the community. What we would also avoid is impunity on the side of the police. That is why the police must be regulated. Because we don't want situations where we disagree over a girlfriend and I use a firearm against you. We don't want that level of impunity. We want officers to use their firearms when it is justified to use firearms. So having IPOA is not a problem. As long as IPOA do not become vindictive, as long as they consider the circumstances clearly. We have very many youths falling out of school prematurely, and therefore they don't find how and where to place themselves. There are issues of unemployment. There are issues of radicalization. There are a stream of issues that cause all these things, and those are some of the things that cause fuel criminal activities in areas. Basically, a policeman is a prefect of the society, and anybody who is law obedient will respect the police, and anybody who is criminal in mind may not respect the police because he knows the police will come for him. Issues of relationship between the police and the public, it's a matter of the public getting educated to understand the role of the police, that the police is there for their own benefit and for their own safety. And if you find maybe civilians attacking police or something, that means there is a breakdown in obedience to the rule of law, and means that there is a social disconnection on our behavior as a community, which need to be watered. And the social behavior starts from deep down at home as a child, how you are brought up by your parents, you go to school, how you are brought up by the school, you go to church, how you are taught in church and what you believe in, and so on and so forth. So family management, social management will be able to sort out some of these problems.